If you have a successful concept of scalping in the forex market, then if you move to the option trading, like the one I'm going to show you right now, then you're going to make even more money compared to the forex, because here you have more advantage compared to the forex side. I'm introducing the LQ options. I've been testing this platform since 2020, actually, you can just imagine. And then this is going to make your ways easy, even to make money, withdraw and everything. All right, let's get started. Now, this is a platform that you've been talking about, the IQ options. This is how it looks, very nice. So when you sign up for the first time, you get a practice money. So this is actually like just a paper money, just, you know, demo money, fake money of course, and then you just get 10,000. You can keep topping up anytime you blow. You need to test your strategy until you see that it works properly, then you can switch to live account, just like me here. So this is my account right here. I'm going to show you how just do this in an easy way. On my left side here, I have the trending view. This is why I normally like analyzing. Like, you can do everything as well on the IQ options. It gives you everything, indicators, they are all here. But sometimes when I'm doing this personally, I just like analyzing on the trending view and then executing right here to make work easier. For example, right now you can see like gold is really rising so fast. Like right now the gold is rising, and maybe you're going to get the market reversing from this area here. Let's see how. This is why you have the clock. You need now to time this so well. So anytime this market is going to come to that 3 just slightly down, then we're going to buy. Yeah, because the market is really moving up and we end the trend line. So make sure that you select 1 minute time frame, whatever you're just going to work on. The market is moving up, so you need to work on, is the market on the uptrend or the market is on the downtrend? You need to work that on properly so that you know where the market is moving. For instance, in this market here, you see, like, we're going to probably get a small reversal here before, like this. Look at that. The market is going to reverse a little bit, and then once we get back to that 3, then we are going to click buy, just like that. Very quick, it has happened very quickly. So we just need this market to move slightly. So this is why you can just put, I'm going to put 100. So we are trading with 100. So this is a best strategy. You need to be very fast. If you have those skills for scalping, then you can apply them here and they are going to work so well. Let's see. I just need to see that something just small, just like that. 33, then we put higher, just like that. Buy, and then I'm going to buy again. All right, so I'm going also to buy again at 33. So we still have time. So that is 300. So if we're going to get this, is going to be a lot. Look at that. Now we are at this zone exactly at 33. So now you can just be waiting to see how much you're going to be expecting. For example, 270. Look at that. Very amazing, very amazing, very amazing. You can hear now the clock is counting 138 seconds. So if the market is going to stay up like that, I'm going to be getting a profit of $270. You can decide to close on this before this market, and you're going to get $11 or $19, $20. The weight is increasing here, $14. If I just close right now, I'm going to still be in profit. So if I just decide to close on the way, I'm still going to be profit. But the time is almost up and not applicable because the market is up seconds. 6 profit, closing. The market is moving up and boom, $270 gotten from that market. Is that not amazing? So that is how you can just absolutely do here. You just make sure that you practice on. So while 270 bumped like that using simple strategy. Just look at that. Look, these look like a sniper entry. These look like a sniper entry that we really got here, because you look at that, the last one was here. So you just use the same strategy here, and of course you're going to just get it. So you can wait for this market to come down, or maybe you just analyze depending on the trend lines, and then you need perfect, timely, and to be on clear. You can see we have 3 entries and we captured all of them same time. As you can see now, IQ option is the best choice that you can have, because you can see the same prices that you see on the trending view is just the same prices that we can see on IQ options. And the best way is actually IQ options give you the fast reaction. You can see actually we are getting late reaction on the trending view, but on IQ options it's very easy and very quick. To get started on this, use the link in the description. You're going to get actually 100% bonus when you join using my link, and I'm actually going to be handing you to the rest of group that we have for signals and more classes for this. See you every single day 8 p.m. as we trend live to make money on IQ option.